Okay, traders, here we are. Tesla just released a report. You can see that we're down $11 right now. We bought some of the February 2nd $200 puts, and that we did. So we will see what the news will be over the next hour, and we'll come back to where we made the lows and where that knee-jerk reaction is. Once again, Tommy Trader, trade with me now, otherwise you'll be left behind. What I can say is, once again, Tesla is getting slaughtered at this moment. We can see here as we got through the conference call that we did, trading with Tommy Trader, sign up for the free 5-day trial. Not only that, visit our new turbooptiontrading.com website. So we bought the $200 puts, and we know that we did. So everybody understands why we were shorting the $200 puts, and they're going to pay because we were the low of the day. So we are $5 below that strike. Once again, earnings season is here. It's time for you to join our new trading setup that you can do in the live trading room. Sign up